Hi everyone, my name is Odan Cosmos, the founder of the website school and also Sir Cosmos World. This is me here on the screen as you can see. Today I'll be showing you how you can add your social media handles to your WordPress website. After watching this video to the end, you can be able to do this by adding your social media handle so that your visitors can visit your social media page when they log into your website. But before we start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video so as to get notification when I post a new video. Let's get started. Let's visit our website. Now, as you can see, we don't have a social media handle where visitors can reach us. In order to be able to add this social media handle, let's go to customize and wait for it to load. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do that now. So we wait for it to load. As you can see, it's loading. These features have started appearing. Now, once this page have finished loading, all we need to do is now let's go to the left hand side, click on top bar and then general, ensure to enable the top bar. Now let's go back. Once this is on, let's go back to social and then scroll. Here you can see where you can put in your Twitter handle for your Facebook and also your Pinterest, YouTube, LinkedIn. Now let's add in our social media um, handle, https. You can copy yours and paste here, Facebook, facebook.com/websites school.xyz. So this is for our Facebook page, website school, and also like to add that of Twitter. All you need to do is copy your link. I already have it here. Just copy and then go back to the social section, down to your Twitter, and then click this. Okay, sorry, click this and paste. So that is how you can be able to do for the rest other social media handle. After doing that, then you click on publish. Now let's go to our home page. Let's refresh this page. Let's see if the changes we've made has taken place. Yes, as you can see here, I have my social media handle. Now let's click on this particular one to see where it takes us to. Let's click on this. For Facebook, you see it has bring me to my Facebook uh, handle. So basically, this is how you can be able to add your social media, and also for your YouTube. If you have to click that of YouTube, it takes us to our YouTube channel. So basically, this is how you can be able to add your social media handle to any WordPress website. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to get notification when I post a new video.